I have here today a short install clip for you guys. So this is the new Kia K5 GT. We'll be doing the front splitter, already the side skirts last week, and then the rear diffuser. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do a step-by-step installation. And if you're in the market for one of these splitters and side skirts, link is below. So let's get started. Step one, pop the hood. If you're not with a lift, no problem. You can do this on the floor too. We'll go ahead and start taking the bumper off. So a couple clips on the top, on the side and the rear. We'll take it off and then mount the splitter. So let's get started.